Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to turn off or on background apps in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. From Settings. Right-click the Windows icon and click on Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Then, click on Apps on the left side, followed by Installed Apps. Locate the app for which you want to change background permissions, and click the three dots next to the app name. Then, click on Advanced Options. Under the Background App Permissions section, you will see the Let this app run in the background option. Click the drop-down menu and select Never to turn it off, or Always, or Power Optimized to turn it on. Note, this is available for Microsoft Store apps. Method 2. From Group Policy Editor. Disable background apps for all users with Group Policy Editor. Press the Windows key +R to open Run, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, App Privacy. Double-click on the Let Windows Apps Run in the Background policy in the right pane. Select the Disabled option, then select Apply and OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.